I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
Let's make a delicious meal.
Let's make a delicious meal.
I need to chop the vegetables.
I need to chop the vegetables.
Please cut the onions finely.
Please cut the onions finely.
Boil some water for the pasta.
Boil some water for the pasta.
Fry the eggs in a pan.
Fry the eggs in a pan.
Stir the soup gently.
Stir the soup gently.
Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius.
Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius.
Add some salt to the dish.
Add some salt to the dish.
Mix the ingredients well.
Mix the ingredients well.
I need a knife to cut the vegetables.
I need a knife to cut the vegetables.
Use a spatula to flip the pancake.
Use a spatula to flip the pancake.
The frying pan is on the stove.
The frying pan is on the stove.
Get a spoon to stir the soup.
Get a spoon to stir the soup.
The blender is not working.
The blender is not working.
Preheat the oven before baking.
Preheat the oven before baking.
We need a bigger pot for the soup.
We need a bigger pot for the soup.
Use a whisk to beat the eggs.
Use a whisk to beat the eggs.
The chopping board is in the drawer.
The chopping board is in the drawer.
I need flour to make bread.
I need flour to make bread.
We need some butter for this recipe.
We need some butter for this recipe.
The garlic gives a great flavor.
The garlic gives a great flavor.
Add some pepper for spice.
Add some pepper for spice.
We are out of rice.
We are out of rice.